To download Google Keyboard on the Samsung A27 5G, you have to just simply start by opening Google Play Store, click on the search, now tap on the search and input the Gboard phrase. Now we have to download this application. This is actually the official Google Keyboard. Just wait a few seconds for downloading, and after that I'm going to show you how we can properly use it. There we go, it's downloaded, so now we can open the settings, scroll all the way down for the general management, and now just go for the keyboard, and here select default keyboard. Okay, it wasn't actually downloaded yet. I'm just gonna check. Samsung, nah, it's not here, so let's stop one more time. I mean, I'm not sure if it is still not here, but it should be actually. Gboard. Okay, for some reason it's still verified that, but it takes too much time, definitely. Now it's just installing. It was also scanning something in the background, so this is probably the reason why it takes too much time. But now when you go here, we should be able to actually set a Gboard as a default keyboard. Or maybe am I wrong? Yeah, it looks like I'm wrong. So we have to just click here, click OK. And now when you turn it on, we can set this. There we go.